There's been quite a few big boxes on this channel, all of which have been incredibly exciting, and I think this is probably the most exciting. So we've had our Miata now for 10 years, and that was a huge thing. We made the big video about it. You guys know, especially subscribers who have been following this channel for a while, you know how much work has gone into this car. From engine out, engine swap, hardtop, wheels, I mean, all the dream stuff. This car has already been turned up to 10, but it's time to turn it up to 11, which brings us to this. So we're doing an unboxing today. I'm sure it's in the title. It's in the title. The Miata's getting a turbo. We'll open this in just a second, but we've got the full Fab9 GT turbo kit to unbox today, get all of our pieces out, show you guys what I got, some of the options that have come with it, and we're just gonna do an unboxing, and it's super excited. I do want to say too, I'm sorry the videos have been a little bit sporadic. I know it's been like, this one's late. Last week there wasn't a video, or was a video, I can't even remember. It's been super busy, and basically ordering this, I want to get back into the car. I want to take things apart again. It's time for the next big thing for the Miata, and I'm ready to get back into doing weekly Miata videos, and I figured what better way to do that than installing a turbo kit. So getting our package opened up. So it's gonna be a little bit of a surprise. I do see one pipe right here with our blow off valve. So that's cool. And I just went with the black powder coating because, I don't know, like the powder coated pipes are cool. I got red for my Volkswagen, and it was cool, but I don't know if I want flashy intercooler pipes. So we've got our blow-off valve with our first pipe, obviously goes like that. We're not putting it together in this video, but we are going to be at least unboxing things. So there's that. And I think all of these are just the intercooler piping as well. There's one. This is intake piping. So far, everything looks really nice. Welds look good. Powder coat looks good. They did the bead roll on the pipes, so that way all of our couplers should at least mostly stay on under boost. All right, now I think we're getting to the fun stuff. I'm gonna need a razor blade. There's lots of cool stuff over here that you guys can't see either. So hit the subscribe button for more, because we're doing some cool interior stuff soon that I'm very excited for. But back to this. Not sure what this is. Oh, it's our intercooler. All right, I'm not gonna open it in here then. Here we go. Nice. And this is just like parts impressions too, obviously. A lot of these parts I've never used before, nor do I have experience with them. So this is just initial impressions. It looks like it's like a modified one. They cut a tab off the back of it, but all the fins look pretty good, short of just a couple little tiny ones, but we can fix those anyways. So you can kind of see like right here is like a modified one. This is cool. Let's keep unboxing. Let's see what is next. All right, fun stuff. Not paper, but sort of. All right, we'll do this one right here since it's available to me. The downpipe. So this is the downpipe that comes off of your turbo, connects to your OEM exhaust. Pretty nice. Welds look good. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get everything jet hot coated as well, like all the hot parts. So this probably won't look like this by the time we put it in, but really nice. Got our bungs here, good flanges, and it's got the denting. Obviously there's some clearancing that they've already done, so that's cool to see. All right, and two more boxes. We got this box, which I think I know what it is. And there is one thing missing from this box as well. We don't have the manifold yet. So the manifold is on its way. I can't remember which manifold it is, but it's one of the ones that a lot of people use. A lot of people are running this kit, and I drove John's car, who does have this kit. So I'm gonna have a very similar setup as his car, and kind of part of the reason I sold the Fit and got this turbo kit after Miata's at the Gap, because John's car ripped and Jordan's car ripped too. All right, here's a bunch of little accessories and things like that. We've got all of our oil and coolant lines, all of our T-fittings. I'm gonna be doing some double checking because everyone's kind of started to troubleshoot this kit already, even Fab9 has, so I might be getting some things still. Injectors, wiring harnesses, studs, all of our heat tape and things like that. Also, they include your air filter, all of our coupling hoses. There are more things there's more things coming then. So this isn't a full unboxing because there are some more things coming for sure. The turbo, the actual turbo. So I went with the Pulsar 2860. So that was the one recommended for my engine from Fab9. They said that this is the one to go with. So that is what I went with. Here it is. Oh, this is really cool. So first turbo, obviously the GTI has one, but first turbo. And this thing looks so sick. A couple things we're missing. We basically have probably like 80% of the kit. We have a oil filter housing coming from Mad Fabworks. We have a oil cooler coming. We have heat shielding. We've got a turbo blanket here for our turbo. We still need to do the jet hot coating and all of that. So we're still a ways away, but the project begins now. We've also got the Fab9 aluminum valve cover and their track pack heat shielding kit. So that needs to come, and like I said, the manifold. If the car is coming apart, which it is, so hold on one second. So I did my 2.5 swap probably 5 years ago now, and it's been running great. It pulls well. Took me to Miata's at the Gap and back. Gets good gas mileage when doing so. It's been great. However, it is a DIY build. And if you guys remember, I've had to replace the clutch on this car before due to a oil leak. And real quick on that. So swap got done, all of a sudden noticed some drips of oil. And as we started getting like through the first tunes and everything, the oil that was leaking got on the clutch and made it so the clutch would just spin, so no power. Took the transmission out, replaced the rear main seal, and put in a new clutch. Everything's been working totally great. Until the other day, the clutch started slipping again. So that needs to be replaced if we're going turbo anyways. And so I can fix the oil leak that's definitely in the oil pan, fix all that stuff, fix all the little things that I may have skipped or didn't do the first time. The car's been great, the engine's been great. I haven't really had any problems that weren't easily fixable. And so let's do it the right way. If we're doing this, let's do it the right way. We're gonna spend some money and throw the diff in, get the rear diff in. I mean, take everything apart and let's go through the whole car. Also, I can't even remember, but yes, we have an OEM hardtop now. I'll explain that later. But here it is, the Fab9 GT turbo kit with our Pulsar turbo, downpipe intercooler, charge pipes, everything kinda that we're gonna be needing to turn our NC into a monster. So I know this is just like an unboxing / update video, but I figured if I was gonna tell you guys I had a turbo, I was just gonna tell you guys I had a turbo. Super cool stuff on the workbench. All orders for Super Automotive Accessories are back up. We're caught up finally. So all new orders, I'm working on those as well. So if you guys ordered in the last like week or two, be prepared to get a tracking number for that. I'll update you guys as this process goes on. So we're pretty much gonna get started going on this after doing our other interior modifications. I'm gonna drive the car around a little bit, enjoy it one more time, one or two more times at least, before shutting that battery off and getting everything out. So new garage, big project, first big project in the garage, and I'm stoked. I hope you guys are too. So go down below and hit subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below. I'll see you in the next turbo video.